The top end has endured a night of wild weather with gale force winds and heavy rains leaving a trail of damage and causing disruptions to road and rail services. The Darwin to Adelaide rail line has been closed after the track was damaged in the storms, which also caused flash flooding and power outages.
300 metres of railway track damaged near Adelaide River. The embankments were washed away in heavy rains, making the line impassable.
We have had to close the line because in terms of safe working and ensuring that we manage the incident.
It's a blow to passengers due to travel home on the GAN. They've been forced to make other plans.
There has been a lot of confusion amongst all the passengers as to when they can get home and that sort of thing.
Just outside Darwin, the rural area was hit by flash flooding, with water reaching knee height in the yards of some Litchfield residents and seeping into homes.
The creek came up quite fast, took out fences. We were busy moving horses and lawnmowers and all that sort of gear. We got a little bit of water through the house.
Many rural roads were cut off as the waters rose. 2 men had to be rescued by helicopter after becoming stranded trying to cross the flooded Hardy's Creek. Other rural residents were diverted off the outbound lane of the Stewart Highway when the Elizabeth River rose 800 millimetres above the road. In Darwin, winds reached 70 kilometres an hour, ripping trees from the ground. This one at Nycliffe Primary School was blocking the road before being removed by the council. More than 1,000 homes in the northern suburbs had their power cut, with lines in Winnellie brought down by the bad weather and problems at a nearby substation. Wild weather overnight forced Sealink to cancel its first return ferry from Cullen Bay to Mandorah this morning. But despite the wind, the service has been up and running since then.
A little bit windy, it wasn't too bad.
We swam about halfway and then we had to turn back. It was getting a bit choppy, so.
The Weather Bureau says the top end should start drying out over the coming days as the system drifts away.
The low's going to continue to track southwest and head out towards the Pilbara and out through Geraldton, so mostly the rainfall will be confined to western parts of the Northern Territory and Western Australia.
But with the wild weather whipping up the seas around Darwin, not everyone is in a hurry to see the storms go. Ruby Jones, ABC News.